Hello, welcome to my review of the Boss Stitch desktop stapler. Got this stapler as a replacement for my handy APSCO metal stapler. I think the department head of the business department bought this back in the 60s, 63 I believe, and it used to staple through about 80 pages at once. But now the students are complaining that it only seems to get through about 20 pages at a time. So I figure it's a time to upgrade. Again, you know, we've got this old school metal and metal everywhere. So I figure it was time to upgrade to a new fancy stapler. I was not provided this stapler for review purposes. I asked the stockroom to send me one for free, and those emails went unanswered. So this was ordered from the stockroom, and shipping was pretty good. I ordered it last February, and it from Whitby to Ajax, and it got here at some point in August, I'm told. And first it ended up in the English workroom, and now in October it got here. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's not too bad. So first of all, I want to talk about this. I can't tell you how much I paid for this stapler. That's confidential, but it was ordered from the stockroom. Pretty happy with the packaging. Okay, big, you know, the box is pretty simple here. It shows some of the features. You can put staples in it right here. You can see it shows you how to do that. Flip it around the back here, and it tells me about the type of staples it can do. 210 staples. That's definitely an upgrade over the old one we bought in the 60s. It uses standard size staples. It opens up for tacking, so when you want to put your posters on the wall, you can open it up. So, I think it's time to open up this bad boy. Again, I'm pretty happy with the packaging so far. It's pretty good packaging. Really happy with that. All right, so let's open this bad boy. And I'm presented with some glorious metal and plastic. I like to see plastic. That's a new updated material instead of that old-fashioned metal from the 60s there. I'm sure the plastic will give me the same number of years of service. I'm hoping it will anyways, because that's the next time I'll be able to, it'll be the same amount of time needed to buy another one, because that's the next time I'll have room for it in my budget. So yeah, so it's so far it's a black staple with some shiny pieces on it there. Got some good heft to it. Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't get a chance to eat lunch today, so I'm just trying to get this review done as fast as I can. So it's a pretty good stapler. I'm going to open this bad boy up here, and you can see there's a bright red piece of plastic there. That's going to tell me when it's empty. And let's get this bad boy loaded up with some staples. This review brought to you by X-Acto staples. Some standard staples. If you want the job done X-Acto, you go to X-Acto. All right. I'm going to open up these staples here. Oh, some fell on the floor. Oh, darn. Hold on. Give me a second here. Oh, there's staples everywhere. Goodness gracious. All right. So, we're going to see if we can fit a full roll of staples in there. And that'll be key to productivity. I don't want to waste time putting staples in here all the time. I'm really hoping that you know, I can get a full row of staples before it jams. What is that? Oh, the fire alarm. You gotta be kidding me. All right, I'm back. It's October. It's about 6 degrees outside and raining. I'm just gonna try to get this review done as I warm up. Okay, so the staples fit in there. Oh, they fit in there pretty good. Nice, satisfying click. So now I guess we need to do some testing to make sure this review is complete. So I like to start off all of my stapler reviews by seeing if it can staple one piece of paper. Let's see how the stapling the one piece of paper can work. We can see right here that it did indeed staple. It's awesome. So now we have to move to the next part of our test. Which is the student stapling test. Okay, let's see how this bad boy does. All right, let's do this. Okay, so it actually managed to get a staple in there partially for student projects. Pretty happy with that. I managed to get through the top few pages. I'm going to reuse those pages now for some artwork for the classroom. Don't want to waste those. So yeah, the stapler did a pretty good job getting through those pages. It didn't pass. Hello, Mr. Dillon. Did a pretty good job of getting through those pages. I'm getting nice and warmed up now. So again, the stapler did a pretty good job, I gotta say. It did get through. It did okay on the student test, which was the 85 or so pages stapling attempt. And again, I don't think I could have done without my trusty X-Acto standard staples. When you want to staple and you want a job done exactly, there's only X-Acto. Thank you for watching my review. Time for me to finish my lunch. Thank you.